Hey guys, Max here with CAtuned Off-Road. In this install video, we have a 2026 Subaru Outback. We're going to install this brush bar in really easy, about a half an hour to an hour with your friends. Super simple, couple of screws, couple of cuts. It's that simple, guys. All right, guys, we have the brush bar in front of us. It's 1 3/4 DOM tubing. We got our brackets here that welded on. You'll need some basic tools. This is a 17 mil socket, 12 mil with an extension. There will be needed like a little pick, a clip remover. You will need some kind of cutting tool. You can use a knife, but you got to be careful, guys. So this is nice and kind of easy to maneuver. Also, I'm going to show you, since we already have the bolts out, these bolts are their original bolts on the subframe. Just kind of showing you before we install it into the car, what's it going to look like. So our next step is we're going to remove the actual like a undercarriage skid plate, the factory plastic skid plate. Guys, this is the undercarriage. You have the 12 mil in here that we're going to remove. You have clips kind of all around. Basically, we're removing the center piece here. Once you have the couple of clips removed, and we'll be able to take it off, and we're going to do some trimming around this area. Okay, so we have this skid plate underneath the plastic here on the table. This is the front of the car. So from this whole notch to the first line, 7 inches. And we've gone, so basically from this edge, you're looking about 1/4 inch, maybe 3/16. Make a straight line to that. That's a 12 inch from that side. So then we go over to this side, same thing. From there to the first line, 12 inches, you got about 1/4 to 3/16. Draw a straight line, come down 7 inches from that whole line, and we'll come around. So we're using a multi-tool here. Works kind of the best. So yeah, we're going to repeat the same thing on this side, guys. Okay, we have both sides cut, guys. This is what's going to look like after you've cut it. And after we cut this, we're going to install it back in, the skid plate, and then we're going to do the brush bar. So we've got that bottom cover on. Next step is to remove the 17 mil 2 bolts that Now you're going to do this on both sides, guys, left and right. Next step is to install the brush bar with these original bolts. That's good to have a friend that can help you out here with this install. Now you want to kind of tighten them. You don't want to snug them all the way until you have all 4 bolts tight. All right, guys, this completes our install, guys. Fairly easy, about an hour or so with your friend. Some cutting involved, but overall, this is pretty easy. Somebody can do it at home. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate. Reach out to us by phone or by emails. Thank you, guys.